First of all, alhamdulillah, the ADM meeting went very well. We have 25 members in ACC. All 25 members participated in this meeting. The second thing is, I am thankful to all the members who came here and also all those who attended this meeting through Zoom. Secondly, I really want to thank Aminul Bhai for his hospitality, for the BCB hospitality, the way they have looked after us. We had amazing 2 days, very memorable, and I want to thank on ACC behalf that the way they have organized everything, it was amazing. Last thing is that we have all decided to work for cricket. None of us wants politics inside any of our organizations, and it was a very good meeting in a very good atmosphere, and I hope we will continue meetings like this in future also.
सर, शहरोज अहमद फ्रॉम ज़ल्मी टीवी, एशिया कप के हवाले से क्या डिसीजन हुआ, जरा उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बता दीजिएगा। जो एजेंडा था इस मीटिंग का, वो सारी चीज़ें
that will also be announced soon.
शेड्यूल कब तक आएगा?
We are in the consultation with BCCI, and we will hopefully resolve the also very soon.
Sir, we know that it's organized in Abu Dhabi, but it is true or not? It's USA, it's held Asia Cup in UAE. It's true.
We will announce it soon. We will announce it soon.
Is there any major decision upcoming from the AGM meeting, the future schedule of Asia Cup 2027 or something? Is there any major decision from this AGM meeting?
We discussed it, and we have decided that myself and Aminul Bhai will have some issues resolved which are pending, and we'll get it done as soon as possible.
Sir, how challenging it was to put all the 25 members on the same table?
Thanks to him and all the members who are standing here. It's again the teamwork, and whenever you have teamwork, wherever you are, you get successful.
I'm just adding, this is all about the leadership, and all the members from ACC, they were cooperative like anything, because we all are working for the game, the great game, cricket.
And how was the Indian reaction, because they didn't come here, but we know that they joined in the online. And
several countries were not able to come to Dhaka. It happens every time. Whenever you have meeting, I was not able to go to Singapore because I was stuck. So this is a normal thing. Like majority of people come, but a lot of people can't come because of their schedules also. So it's good that we had all 25 members. The point is, which is good for ACC, for BCB, that all 25 members participated today in the meeting.
सर, हाफिज मलाल फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, सर एशिया कप के हवाले से पाकिस्तान को क्या खुशखबरी आप देना चाहेंगे, क्या?
It's more ACC and BCCI, and I'm very much hopeful that we will resolve the pending issues, and we will have the Asia Cup also.
Sir, is there any doubt about the Pakistan-Bangladesh match, Pakistan-India match in the upcoming Asia Cup tournament?
Let's wait for the announcement first.
चेयरमैन साहब, आपने एक दफ़ा फिर इम्पॉसिबल को पॉसिबल कर दिया है। स्टेडियम चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी के बाद एक दफ़ा फिर जो ACC की मीटिंग थी, इसके हवाले से बहुत ज़्यादा कंसर्न थे। तो एक रात पहले ऐसा क्या हुआ अचानक, जो कि 3 ऐसे बड़े बोर्ड थे जो नहीं आ रहे थे और आपने पूरी की पूरी गेम बदल दी? तो थोड़ा सा बताइएगा कि कैसे ये पॉसिबल है?
It's all because of these members who are standing here, not me. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.